Et c'est absolument fou. On est avec ma copine là, sur le Mekong Delta. Je sais pas ce que je fais ici. We're at the Mekong right now. It's kind of beautiful.
Wait. I know a couple of you might have seen my last vlog, and rest assured, my hair did not grow back this fast. This video is from a couple months ago.
There's a bunch of seaweed or some sort of kelp. If you boat down 180 kilometers that way, you get to Cambodia. And I don't know how many kilometers that way, but that's the Pacific Ocean.
Hello, namaste. Namaste. I think you're from India, my friend.
So we're all getting coconuts? So the boat just dropped us off at this little like coconut candy workshop. So we're just about to try different types of little candies, and I think I see some alcohol with a snake inside of it.
So you try snake wine. Snake wine. Oh hell yeah. Okay, guys ready? Snake wine. Uh, 10% many flavor, like ginger, like peanut, like chocolate.
Oh my
like,
god, it's
durian, like jackfruit.
So good.
warm and mushy.
If you like any
Coconut
if you like
candy.
any flavor, we put the peanut. I want her.
Mmm,
Little back the bowl.
it's like toffee almost.
Little back the bowl.
Mushy and it's warm.
He's like coconut, cookie, I think shrimp. Shrimp?
Oh, I want to try the purple.
What y'all know about Cobra vodka? What the hell?
You want to kiss?
Hands up.
You want to kiss? Okay.
Is it a Cobra?
Cobra, my friend. Okay.
Oh my god. It's a Cobra.
After that, we have. It's not poison. This one. Have venom. Have venom.
That's what gets you drunk, dude.
You know what it is?
Oh,
Who wanna kiss everyone, guys?
Gecko.
Yes, okay. Gecko and Cobra make you become a strong man. And this one, this is the Cobra and Scorpion make you become Superman. Okay.
I love it.
One
You gonna
person
try it?
brings you to be happy. My friend, who wants to have
You wanna try it?
Okay.
Because what if it goes about
You trying that shit?
Fuck no. Come on. Say come on.
Bro, we can't come all the way here and not try it.
That's smell it. It's so poisonous, bro. A bit more.
That's not a good idea.
Guys, we can't come all the way here and not try this Cobra liquor.
a little bit. Okay, you still remember how to say cheer in Vietnam?
How do you
We
say that?
say một, hai, ba, yo.
Mo, hi, ba, yo.
That's right. Okay.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Yes.
All right. Mo, two, ha, yo.
Okay, hold on, bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all.
It's okay.
Ooh, that's warming up my belly right now. can't believe I just drank that.
They kind of tasted like tequila viejo.
Tequila viejo.
A little bit, and then it had the meat, and I was like, oh.
The meaty aftertaste. Yeah. I'm kind of like tripping out right now. Like we paid $36. We've been out since 7 a.m. We visited the Coochie tunnels. We've had lunch. We've driven over like 3 to 4 hours in total. And now we like boated across the Delta and we're eating coconuts and drinking snake alcohol. Like if that's not a deal, I don't know what is.
Meat, yeah, but the international name is track first.
Pose with the meat.
B-roll.
Damn. Wait, can I?
Okay.
You know the palm, the weather.
Ooh, yo, I felt the move on my finger.
Fresh.
That was yummy though.
Okay.
Bee pollen.
Wait, what is that?
Bee pollen. Kumquats? Oh, that's nice.
He's like a big citrus fan.
Oh, dude, kumquats is fire.
Take the kumquat.
That looks, I can smell that. That smells delicious. Are we ready? Cheers, guys. So happy to be in Vietnam with all of you.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Boys.
Cheers.
The trip.
Damn.
Panda is. I don't think we can buy this.
Just prepared it with this, the
Because our professor
some dried bananas.
and then he has to keep it.
Put a little bit of pollen inside.
What is the use for though?
In the food of the
That's so yummy. I feel like this would be perfect if I was
What is
sick.
it used for?
That's so true. It has like the vitamin C and the honey that's used.
The throat. How does it taste, dude?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I would buy it.
It's royal jelly.
It's not that hard to.
Maybe we try, so we try it all together.
Go ahead. Wait, what's the white stuff?
The royal
The jelly.
thing.
The royal jelly.
Put your camera like this in the middle of the.
Royal jelly with honey.
A ver.
Oh yeah, that's wrong.
This
Ooh,
is what it looks like.
ooh,
It's not focusing.
ooh,
I have never tasted anything.
ooh.
Not my vibe.
Know your vibe? Let me try.
Ooh,
Wait, that's a weird.
that is very weird.
It's like nice.
Oh, it's like,
You like it?
I don't even know how to
Yes, I really
describe
like
that.
it.
You like that?
I really like that. Wow.
Oh, that was a little crazy for
That
me.
is a very interesting
What does it
flavor.
taste like?
I cannot describe
You
it.
better find out, dude.
What do you think?
Wow.
It's
There's layers to it.
you know
Like it?
it's
There's like
slightly salty,
so
slightly
good.
very
There's a
salty.
weird
Nice
layers to
aftertaste,
it.
but like
There's
I don't know,
layers.
it's very specific, very specific.
I'm not sure how I feel about the jelly.
For your liver.
Good for liver.
Yes.
Oh, after this Vietnam trip, we need to.
SP is bringing Mexican culture to Vietnam.
Para arriba, para abajo, para el centro y para adentro. Para arriba, para abajo, para el centro, para adentro.
Yes, sir.
Arriba, para abajo, para el centro y para el carajo.
I'm done. I'm done. Wait. Don't move. It's rice wine fermented with a giant cobra inside of it. All right, yeah, hardcore. It's fermented in this giant. That looks like plastic to me, to be honest.
Yeah, for 2 years. They keep it there for 2 years.
I want to buy. Let me just show you something.
This is Casey. He studies environmental sciences and he loves everything nature.
What is these? It takes 15 years to grow, and this is like every single one of them. They have to be wired in place.
What is that? Is that actual branch?
No, this is wire. Every single bit of the trees in the pots that you're seeing is controlled.
It's controlled. Wow.
They're all bonsais. These things in America are worth thousands a piece.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's why I like. That's been like one of my favorite parts. Like, look at this artistry. Do you know how hard it is to make roots look like this? This takes like years and years of conditioning and bending the tree slowly, and repotting and watering every 3 days. It's incredible.
That is super cool.
Oh my god. I have a bonsai.
You do at home? How big is it?
It's very small. But like these are way bigger than the ones you find in
Yeah.
America. Wow. Check this out. See how small these leaves are?
Yeah?
Leaves are about normally this size for this plant, I believe. But with bonsais, it slowly miniaturizes the actual leaves.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Like, because you're nutrient starving and it causes the leaves to get way smaller. So this one's like not been pruned in a way that it's going to make all the leaves very small, but it's big, so it doesn't matter. Because you're trying to achieve scale. But the thing that doesn't change size is the fruits. That's why that peach bonsai over there has full-size peaches.
So how old would this bonsai be, for example?
Dude, this could be like 30 years old.
30?
Easily. There's ones that are like 2,000 though. Holy shit. Benjamin also grows them.
Really?
Yeah. He loves bonsais too. Same size. So you make...
Are those real fruit?
Yep.
What? There's no way. No, that's fake. That's a fake tree.
Fuck.
You've had too much rice wine, my friend.
I mean, I would have believed it. It's weird that it's fake, though. Like, to be honest, I thought it was a. I thought it was like Chimera tree, like two different types of trees. That's so weird. Why?
Oh yeah, hop on the boat. Casey loves trees. It seems like people are like living within the palm trees and like, look at this, look at this. Like that looks like that lady's house. This is where it gets tricky. We're about to hop on one of these boats.
Em cũng không đếm nữa. Bà chiếc kia bị thứ tư nè.
Công nhận nhớ cũng hay quá ha.
Do I go right behind you?
Yeah. 3 points of contact.
What? Yes. They are. Yeah, expect. Oh, I'm so showing this lady my underwear.
You want to make
Dude,
the boat? Yeah,
this is crazy. Oh my god, the B-roll is insane.
There's crocodiles in here.
Carousel of days, each of them is ways, an attempt to stay the same when all seems to be lost. But you can take a chance.
What did I heard die?
Change
I
your
heard die.
heart to heaven. You can find a place that you will once go home. I won't promise that this love will last forever.
This is crazy. This is insane.
big balls.
Water coconut. Why do you know so much about fruit?
Water coconut bacon.
That makes sense. Casey, tell us where we are right now.
Side channel of the Mekong Delta.
Oh wow. Casey, you get a hat. Another one. Very nice. Oh, wow, Casey just changed his cowboy hat for a traditional. I see you very well.
You
Yeah, I like the
can
flowers.
take a chance and change your health.
It does.
To heaven.
It has big pink flowers.
You can find a place that you will once go home. I won't promise that this last forever. Oh, we have us, oh, we are.
Guys, I don't even
Oh, we are.
like. This is crazy. Hello.